In this film, we will go through the new functionality in Grundfos MIXIT, Supply Source Setpoint. This functionality enhances energy efficiency in heating and cooling applications. By precisely controlling the temperature range according to the demands of the circuit, you can ensure optimal performance and compatibility across multiple units. Supply Source Setpoint lets you control the supply source within a configurable temperature range, from 0 degrees to 100 degrees for a fixed 0 to 10 volt output signal. The functionality is pre-configured to MIXIT setpoint plus 5 degrees as a default for heating, and MIXIT setpoint minus 2 degrees as a default for cooling. The default values can be changed via the Grundfos GO app. Let's look at an example. If the MIXIT setpoint in a heating application is 50 degrees, the supply source setpoint is 55 degrees, which equals a 5.5 volt output signal. In a cooling application where the MIXIT setpoint is 16 degrees, the supply source setpoint is 14 degrees, equaling a 1.4 volt output signal. The supply source setpoint can be adjusted with the Grundfos GO app. Connect the app to the MIXIT unit via Bluetooth and select the supply source setpoint setting. Now you can adjust the minimum and maximum temperature within the range of 0 degrees to 100 degrees. When the range is adjusted, a guide helps you connect the wire in the MIXIT unit correctly in the terminals. You can also change the offset temperatures from the default setting, for heating between 0 and 25 degrees and for cooling between 0 and minus 25 degrees. Finally, you can set the standby temperature from 10 to 50 degrees for both heating and cooling. If the MIXIT unit loses connection to field bus, is in stop, or an alarm appears, they will go to standby temperature. Ultimately, the supply source setpoint functionality precisely controls temperatures and ensures optimal performance in both heating and cooling applications, taking mixing loop energy efficiency to a new level.